Hi, this is Cassie from Boatshed BVI. I am here on board the Jeanneau 389. It's a 2019 model with 2 cabins and 1 head. So we will start here in the galley. You have a 2-burner stove, an oven, top loading fridge and a double sink here. Have the chart plotter table here and the 12-volt electrical panel, a spacious salon area, and just forward of the salon is the first cabin, really good sized cabin, nice and spacious with room to move around and change. Looking aft, you have one really good spacious head with a shower there. If you would like to see more photos and videos of this boat, visit boatshedbvi.com.